It doesn't begin with noise, no thunder, no collapse of the world you knew. It begins with a stillness so deep it almost feels alive. One moment you are aware of everything you carried, every thought, every weight, every unanswered question, and the next, silence. Not empty silence, complete silence, the kind that doesn't erase you, it reveals you. And when you open your eyes, the world behind you is gone. Not destroyed, not taken, just no longer yours. Ahead of you, there is a shoreline. It's not like Earth, not shaped by erosion or time. This shore feels intentional, like it was waiting. The ground beneath your feet seems to hold light rather than reflect it, as if every grain carries memory, purpose, permanence. And the air is different. It doesn't press against you. It receives you. You realize very quickly you are not alone. Others are arriving, not in chaos, not in fear, but in recognition. No one is asking where they are. No one is resisting. It's as if something deep within them has always known this place existed. And now that they're here, it feels familiar, not remembered. Recognized. There's a sound here, but it's not separate from the atmosphere. It moves through everything. Something like voices. Layered, distant but present, not calling out but acknowledging. And then you see it. A river, not far, not hidden. It draws your attention instantly, like it's aware of you. This is not water as you knew it. It moves, yes, but it also responds. Light flows within it, not reflected on the surface, but carried inside it, like life itself is moving through every current. You step closer, and something inside you shifts, not emotionally, but fundamentally. You understand without being told, this river doesn't exist for scenery. It exists for transformation. There's no hesitation, no fear. You kneel, and the moment your hand touches it, everything changes. Not around you, within you. Every weight you carried dissolves, not slowly, not partially, but completely. Regret has nothing to hold on to here. Shame has no structure to stand on. Every hidden fracture in your being is undone, not exposed, not judged, restored. The river doesn't wash you. It recalibrates you. It aligns you with something you didn't even realize you were missing. For the first time, you feel entirely known, and somehow, that doesn't create fear. It removes it. Others step in beside you. Some collapse into the water, overwhelmed, not by pain, but by release. Some stand still, eyes closed, as if absorbing something too vast for words. No one leaves this river unchanged. And yet, you sense this isn't the end. It's preparation. Because beyond the river, something calls you forward. A path rises from the bank, not constructed, not placed, but revealed, as if it was always there, waiting for you to see it. You begin to walk, and with every step the atmosphere intensifies, not heavier, but fuller. Ahead, a city comes into view. Not distant, not unreachable, but undeniable. Its structure is unlike anything you've ever seen. This is not architecture designed for function. This is design that carries authority. Every line feels intentional. Every gate feels aware. Light doesn't shine on the city. It comes from it, radiating outward, not harsh, not blinding, but overwhelming in its clarity. This place doesn't need illumination. It is illumination. And as you move closer, something becomes clear. There are no barriers stopping people from entering, but there is no confusion either. No one wanders in. No one hesitates at the threshold. Everyone approaching understands something without explanation. This is not a place you stumble into. This is a place you are received into. Before you reach the gates, the space opens wide. and what unfolds before you is impossible to measure. Tables stretch beyond sight, not scattered, not random, but arranged with precision. Prepared, not empty. Prepared. Every place set, every detail intentional. This is not symbolic. This is a banquet. But not one of excess, one of belonging. You hear laughter, but it's not shallow, not temporary. It's full, complete. The kind of laughter that comes from something finished, something fulfilled. You begin to understand. This gathering wasn't arranged when people arrived. It was prepared long before any of them began their journey. You step closer, and something unexpected happens. You recognize people, not in the way memory works, not by names or past interactions, but by something deeper. There's no need for introduction, no need to explain who you are or where you've been. Here, nothing is hidden, and yet nothing is rejected. You are seen completely, and it doesn't create distance, it removes it. You're invited to sit, and the moment you do, something settles inside you. Not excitement, not relief. Alignment, as if this moment has always been moving toward you, and now it has arrived. This isn't just a meal, it's a declaration. You belong here. Beyond the banquet, your attention is